Just a beat on the beat.
I told 2 times. Had to say that shit 2 times. Yeah. I told 2 times. Had to say that shit 2 times. Told you I love you, you ain't even say it back. Fuck you. Gave you some cash, you ain't wanna pay it back. You beef with me, that's draw the line and leave it where it's at. Kill one of mine, just hit my line and we gon' lay on flat. It hurt me when you needed me, I was there for you. She kicked you out, I gave you clothes, I took care of you. This a cold world, I need a bottle of Theraflu. You did some shit to me that I thought you would never do. When I found out what you did, I wasn't even mad at you. When I found out what you did, I just laughed at you.
What's up? I'm back. Man, it's been an interesting morning. I've been having some issues finding stuff. Dang, I know I just put this right here. Y'all know what I'm talking about. When y'all be working, y'all put something somewhere, but you thought you put it somewhere else. Now you run around looking for it. I've been doing that all morning, bro. All morning. But anyway, about to go ahead and mount the subs up. So I was about to text the owner and say, these were dual tools. I'm not sure if you knew, but I was hoping they're 4 so we can get one on load. And then I was like, hey, we should just put it at a half on. And then I walked over here and looked at the Sundown box. And I was like, dang, it's only one on stable. So people run them at half on all the time. But for warranty purposes, it's gonna stay at that one on for a higher level. But you can still get 2 more, which you plan on doing. 2 more and then throw them on there too. Same settings and everything. Just need a new box. But it's coming along. About to go ahead and drop these in, and then I can get to I was gonna try to do a bass test, man, but I'm just trying to get everything done. So I'm gonna continue on with the amp racks, getting everything in. Once audio's done completely, we good. I'm gonna jump on calling the exhaust shop again. But I'm thinking about going ahead and setting it up for Thursday. It's Tuesday. I should be done with this audio stuff completely by tomorrow night. So as long as everything go well and I don't need nothing special, nothing that I can't go to the store and get, then it should be good. But just want to show y'all the details in this. On the set, I want everything to have furrows on it, so making it literally anal. So 2 on load, the way you do it is this dual 2. Connect the positive to the negative on this side, and now you got a 4 on load. So 4 and 4, 4 on load divided by 2 speakers, it's 2 ohms. So that's gonna be the load. This is external regulator. I got the paperwork on how to wire it. I was hoping that it came with these fuses, and it did. 2 amp and a 20 amp. I got a 20 amp, but I don't have a 2 amp. But it's pretty simple to hook up. I wanted to put the regulator outside the truck, but this adjuster is so short, it has no choice but to go inside the truck. So that's another thing. And then the gauges, mounting these gauges. I'm gonna do some glass work, man. For the first time in a long time, the first time I ever tried to do glass work, I sucked. But I talked to Vaughn. Y'all probably seen his Magnum on 34-inch rims, should I say. And he gave me some insight on how to do glass. And I watched a lot of spray weight videos, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to glass it. But y'all can see the bevel wedge on the left side. So I'm gonna try to get it directly in line with the radio heater, blah blah. Try my best. Other than that, I'll probably put this dash back on just for test purposes. Give me some tape, put it on there, and then roll with that. But yeah, I'm trying to get everything set so I can literally be done with audio. Only thing audio I have to do is the deadener for the ceiling, and that'll be it. But showing y'all some wiring and these furrows, terminals, and stuff like that. I'm gonna clean this glass before I drop these subs in. But yeah, about to go ahead and drop it in right now. All right, the baby's in there. On to the other stuff. So I don't know, man. I think I want to try half-inch MDF on this piece. I feel like it'll be the easiest because it's thin. And yeah. So where is it? It's like all the parts left for the truck, man. When it got all the stuff in the house. So everything over there is my box. It's for my van. And this is random box Chevy stuff and some turbo stuff and other parts for my one that I'm working on. But I got my label maker now, so I can put all the stuff on. I have to use tape. Tape came in, got fresh roll. See how much meat on that thing. So I get the right like channel 1, channel 2, like these will turn on and off certain speakers and stuff. So I got a plan on how I'm gonna reroute this. If the battery can fit under the back seat, then I'm gonna put the battery, the crossover, and this piece here. 4 channel on and off basically. So I'm about all that together if it can fit, and then put all the amps together and call it one. But let me check out these pieces here. So like I thought, the terminals are gonna yep, gotta take them back apart because this needs to go on the sub box, but I can do it without taking subs back out. And then the wires that I use for the subs, they can go on this and then out to the amp. So that's cool. I can redo that. Extra wires that go from the crossover to the amp. I still got to get everything established with that. There we go. So, like I was saying, on that 1, 2, 3, 4 channel pieces, they connect here. And I can label it 1 through 4, run it all the way down, around down there where I'm gonna put the control for it, the control module. So I can mount this piece. Here's what I was saying. But we're about to see how I'm about to make this piece. So yeah, I feel like half-inch MDF, since it's the smallest, it'll be best in this predicament. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to making this shape. I want it to be flush right now in my head. That's what I'm thinking, flush. But I don't really know. And I wanted it centered, but I don't really know about that either. All right, man, so something like this. But let me just start making my wood cutout. So I'm picturing myself right in here driving, and you gotta look all the way down to see the numbers. All right, so I think it'd be better if I just put it up here. Like you literally could just turn your head and see your numbers. So I'm gonna try to do that one. As far as running the wires, it's only a couple wires, so may be able to run it slickly behind the defrost, and then cover it up with some what is it called? Like some Great Tech Flex or something, instead of putting a hole in the dash or running it all the way up here and leaving a little gap for wires. Let me see real quick. All right, this is what I got. So now I'm in a predicament where I don't know if I want to overlay the edges or just straight. I think overlay would be cooler looking. So I'm gonna spray it, get the fleece on, and then see what I got. All right, man, so there's that. Don't fit by a long shot. So my next option, man, is to use the same template I got, but just make it wider. So I'm gonna get the battery and amp back there side by side and see how it look. Hopefully it look better, cause it's looking rough with this battery. I'm trying to stay low as y'all can see. But it's getting rough. So 3 amps, crossover, the 4-channel controller piece, battery, bus bar, all kind of stuff. All right, man, let me see what I can do. All right, every time I look at this regulator, man, it's like something new pop up. So it's the first thing I noticed this time. So it's like no way it can go inside. Absolutely. I mean, it's possible under here, but the alarm gotta go right there, so can't do it right there. The wiring on it is simple. Could be done in like an hour or less. I'm trying to put this amp rack in there once and for all. So that's like, I really don't want to do a bass test, because I'm gonna take it back out once I make this rack. So I need some more wood to make the rack, which is a 30-minute drive, and that's not round trip. That's 30 minutes one way, then 30 minutes back. So I'm about to do that tomorrow morning or tomorrow. I don't know if it's gonna be the morning, because they ain't gonna be open when I come over here. So got my solder heating up for this relay. So this is what I came up with, man. I'm about to bleed the brakes while I do other stuff. I'm trying to do a bunch of everything at once. So the paperwork say do not extend these wires. If you can, I mean if you do, it damage the regulator. So what I'm gonna do in my storage or over here, I got some Tech Flex. Basically, this is Tech Flex. This stuff right here. So I'm gonna get some Tech Flex and put it over these power and ground wires. I need to go get some more power and ground wires. I actually have some. I need to go check and see if it is what I think it is. If so, if it's 10 gauge or bigger, I can roll with it. I was gonna put the speaker wire on there because it's 8 gauge and it's left over, but I was kind of want to put some wires with some solidity, whatever you said. I want to put some of that in there. This is like CCA or OLC, but it's extra flexible, so I don't know, like, that's okay. It gotta be though, because the fuse that they sent is the same type of wiring. It's like extra soft, but I don't know. If I don't have it, I'm gonna just use the speaker wire. Shouldn't be too much on it. And then for the firewall, I need to get another grommet, because I plan on mounting it inside. So I'm gonna have this going through there, another power wire going to the regulator, from the regulator to the back battery, and then should be one more wire. Let me make sure. Well, I know it's two things for sure that gotta go inside. Power from here. It's power from this regulator to here, and then on the regulator you got one going. Sorry about that. Yeah, one from here to the regulator. The relay is getting mounted under the steering wheel, but here to the regulator. Then you got here to the battery. It's going from here down to the back to the battery. Switch ground. It's my ground right here. Yeah, so that one coming out, and then you got this one coming in. Don't extend these, go straight to alternator. Yeah, okay, so just two. So this wire that come from the relay, and then this one, and then all that, y'all see it. I love this wiring stuff, man. It couldn't get confusing though to some people. Me, I just got to keep reading over and 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 over some more and over some more. And then it's like, oh, why I ain't just know that in the first place? But I'm about to go ahead and solder these boys so I can get this relay connected. And then, yeah, so this is what I came with the regulator, man. So this box for GM trucks, man, is used to store all the fluids that your car leaks. So we just gonna stick it right there. Man, it's so hot. I had to get up out of there so I could take a shower and calm down a little bit. So I got the bolt that was in the D-rings. It was longer than the end. I just cut it off because I need to get the threads in there. I think it's M10 by 1.5 though. Yep, sure is. So I'm gonna get these like 6 inches long with some washers. Literally the only thing left. I started the relay, got everything extended, but just connected. So ground, 12-volt switch, power going to the box, the blue box, man, I forgot the name of it. And then the power wire to go to the battery in the back. So that's quick. Doing 2 ground wires. Whew. So everything else, man, I'm gonna run back over there, show y'all how to look under the hood. Everything else is done. It's tip top. But I need to find these 2 bolts. So empty and one. Alright, I'm out.